Do you ever work with multiple conditions, and have you ever manually inputted information because you don't know how to set up a formula in Excel? I'm Tina Pomegren with Excelling Your Business, and I'm here to help you create formulas so you can look things up automatically, taking away the human error and making it fun and simple and quick to be able to make things happen very fast. So the example we're going to use today is on payroll. So it's doing bonuses, and it's all about months of service. So how long have the people been there, or their position. So if they're a manager or co-owners don't get anything. Managers get a $5,000 bonus. Part-time people only get $50. And then the rest is based on the months of service. So as you can see, over here, I'm just going to click in this one and do an F2 because F2 is your edit key. And so what this is doing is it's saying if the position, if not hourly, so that's this column E, the manager is equal to blank, then it looks up the number of months. So what that's doing is it's going over here and say the number of months is greater than 25, so it's bringing back $500. But actually this one is manager, so it's actually bringing back $5,000. So in this case scenario, I'm going to hit escape and show you that one. So it did bring back $5,000. This one, I will click on this one because it's 49. So that means it's hitting this one. 48 is actually hitting the 250 because it's less than 49. So if I go like that, it's looking at it, it's blank. So now it's going to look up the months of service, and that's what it's doing. It's looking up months of service. It finds 48. 48 is less than 49. So it brings back 250. In the other one, the manager one, it's going to say, oops, excuse me, I'm in the wrong cell. If I hit F2, this is not blank, so it skips this portion and goes to this VLOOKUP and says position, if not hourly. So it's looking up manager. It's going over here, finding manager, and it's bringing back $5,000. So if I added a new employee, all I have to do is type tab. I can add a new person, we'll say Wally, and he started today's date, 26, so he has 0 days, so it automatically does something in there, but I could put him in as a manager and he would earn $5,000. So it's automatically doing the information for you without you having to think about it. Nobody's doing any intervention, so that we take out the human error, and that's the huge part of doing this way. So making it quick and easy for you, that's what I'm all about. Oops, that was the wrong one. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to hit that. So I'm Tina Pomegren with Excelling Your Business. If you want to learn more about how you can automate things, make things easier for your business, take out the human error. If you're struggling with not having enough employees, there are many ways that you can be more functional and productive in your day, and I love helping you do that. Again, Tina Pomegren with Excelling Your Business. If you want to learn more, have a free consultation, check out the bit.ly link, and that will send you to my calendar to schedule a free consultation. It's just a chat, see if we can help each other. That's all it's about. Making it easier for you. Again, Tina Pomegren with Excelling Your Business. Have a great day.